Hi everyone, welcome to the monthly webinar from Timeplus. Michael Freeman is our special guest. I can hand over to Michael for him to do a self-intro and share more about how he built this next-gen network monitoring system, leverage Timeplus Fortune.
Thanks. My name is Mike. I've been developing in the open source world for maybe 20 years now, specialized in network management systems and monitoring systems. So we built ServiceRadar. ServiceRadar is an open source network management and observability platform. It was designed to be secure, easy to use, scalable, and ready for the cloud. This is a view of our architecture diagram showing our data flow and how Timeplus fits in here. So all of the data goes into Timeplus, and that's where it lives. Out of Timeplus, we create materialized views from our data streams, and that's what we kind of give you in the UI. We can give you the streaming view or the table view. That's kind of like the nice thing about Timeplus that we really like, is that you can treat it like a normal database, or you've got the streaming OLAP capabilities right there. So we were able to replace our primary database with this, and it's kind of like a one-stop shop. So we really like that. So we get into the polar view. We've got a popular network sweep. Customers use this to surveil their network, and you can kind of set this up so it runs at a pretty frequent interval without destroying your network. And this gives you pretty good visibility into what's on my network. Is there something new? Is there like a rogue device or something like that?
It's so amazing to see you are building open source software for that particular network monitoring and the security domain using Timeplus as building block in your open source. So everything is open source H2O, and no matter you prefer using Kafka or Nets, I guess Timeplus is working on this real-time domain, and we really embrace all the real-time data sources and the systems.